This is LG 1700W vacuum cleaner, and shit yesterday I was cleaning my room and suddenly some smell started coming out of it. I think that smell was of burning smell, so I think the motor has gone, so I need it to get repaired. I'll just take out my motor and give it to some motor vending mechanic. He'll just mend the motor and I'll just put it again, and this would be running again. So yeah, we have 2 screws over here and 2 must be here in the bottom of this. Started from the bottom, now I'm here. It's very simple, there's no science in it. Just open the screws and keep opening the shade. Yeah, then you'll see a lot of dust. In my case you might not see because there could be no dust at your place, but at my place it's huge. Just disconnect it from here. Fuck. It's very complicated sometimes, not complicated but hard to take it out. Bitch, come out, you hoe. Okay, just put it apart. Now we'll see what's inside. The motor is inside this, so we need to take it out. For that we need to just unplug the wire of the motor. There's a one screw over here for the side panel to come out. After we take this out, you'll see this kind of a box in here. Just need to just unconnect it from here. There's a one, just press it and then pull this out. Same for this, just push it and it's out now. It'll pop out. For this we need to disconnect the motor from this is the main motor of this, and in my case, in mostly case, it got burned by heavy loading, or when you just suck the mouth of the pipe. It happens by that. That's why it get burned. So we'll just have to disconnect it from here. You'll see the wire. What's the problem, dude? Just now it's totally disconnected from its body, and here is our motor, and we can take it to the mechanic, to any mechanic who knows how to mend the motor. Okay, the smell of burning is here. Just keep your body aside